In front of me is HOTWAV Pad 8, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. Start by opening device's settings and scrolling down just a bit to access safety and emergency. Then click on emergency contacts and tap on Add Contact. Now just tap on the one that you wish to set up and do exactly the same to all the other ones you need. If you wish to delete one of them, tap on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, my emergency contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!